We're Allie and Lance, and we went from living in a bus to building a van. The new build was supposed to only take a few months, and that turned into 9 months with a full floor restoration, full engine rebuild, transmission rebuild, then transmission issues. We still aren't done, but it's time to pack up and move on. Gotta get this van done. So I'm drilling so that our bed can breathe because people always have mold issues. We thankfully didn't have that in the bus, but we're going to prevent it, especially this is a lot smaller of a space because the mold will come from the mattress and moisture getting trapped in it. So I'm just going to drill holes in all of these and then I can move forward with painting this section. We have 1 week until we are leaving where we've been staying / kind of stuck, but staying happily, and we have a lot to get done. Here's the list. And do I think we can practically get all of that done? Probably not, but are we gonna try our darn hardest to? Hell yes. Diesel heater is on and running. Nana and I finished up all of the window covers yesterday, and now today I'm working on getting our weather stripping in. We've had the weather stripping off of the doors for a while and I completely forgot about it, and of course it's very cold now and I probably should have done this when it was warm outside, but we're doing it now. I got one door on. We got these from the junkyard. Our other ones they just didn't really even seal because they were just so worn out. So I have them all laid out and I'm going to try to match them to the doors. Probably a better way to do this would to have been to label these as we pulled them out of the junkyard, but Lance and I never do anything the easy way. But Lance and I went out to get tabs for the weather stripping and the bearing on the truck broke.
Well, we were driving to get some parts today for the van.
We're leaving in 4 days.
Yeah, leaving in 4 days, and I'm pretty sure this wheel bearing just went out. You can see it's smoking, and I think it's throwing grease everywhere. And you can kind of hear that it's loose.
So instead of working on the van a few days before we have to leave, Lance is stuck working on the truck. Oh.
Poor Toyota.
We knew this was coming.
This is our old wheel bearing.
Oh.
Whoops. See how that is? It's really messed up. It's not supposed to be like that at all. Put a new one in, and unfortunately we drove with that wheel bearing for quite some time, so it melted a lot of stuff. Nothing we can't fix. This is what comes out. This is what spins your wheels. So this goes through and in to your center of your differential.
Okay, so here's what I've learned in my extended 30 minutes of doing weather stripping. You pop the bottom in first, and then most of them just like they slip in at the top. So you start with the bottom, then you do the top. So I'm gonna work on making sure all of the pins are not broken or pulled out of the door because it's way easier to have them in here and then pop it in. And I could be wrong. I don't think there's a right or wrong way to do this, but someone might tell me there is a right or wrong way. These are Ford ones, but honestly, I don't think they work as well. The Honda ones work better. Whew, we can do all of it. I got it. It's only 7 degrees outside. Late night paint session. We found that it's better for me to paint at night so it has time to dry overnight before Lance gets his big old Bigfoot body in here and just smashes it like a bowl in a china shop with a million tools that aren't meant for what he's doing, but he makes it work.
Oh, that looks so cool. And it is currently, I think, 2 degrees out, maybe 1.
But it's warm in here.
So it's nice and warm in here. Our mini split's kicking. 72 in here. I don't know if she shared this, but curtains are in.
Oh yeah.
Look at that roof. That roof looks so crazy.
Okay, so I just worked this morning on cleaning out our fridges. So there was a fridge in the garage that we had a few things in. Pulled that apart, cleaned that, cleaned our fridge inside, and then made sure all of our food was out of the main house. But I have a question. If anybody has any advice on eliminating the ice buildup that happens in these fridges, let me know, because I have no idea and I just spent 10 minutes scraping it off. See the ice buildup? What do I do? How do I fix it? Also, this is the best thing ever.
Watch out for a high definition TV. Babe, our TV! So I mounted these so now they swing up. I'll show you kind of the mechanism. So it goes like that, and then you pull this up, and then that'll swing down, and then it goes like that.
Sweet.
So then we have a countertop back here and a bench backer.
That's awesome. Okay, we're off to get in alignment. I'm gonna follow Lance in the truck. That way we don't have to wait there. I could not keep up with you.
She's a ripper.
Like, the truck couldn't.
Wasn't even trying.
We totally forgot to film.
I could put it back.
No, absolutely not. The truck just grabbed the boat from over in some deeper snow.
And it was frozen to the ground. How to wiggle it.
Yeah, that was quite the scene. But we have a ton of stuff stored under the camper that we're putting in the boat because we're towing the boat down south, so it's kind of like our little trailer. Lance is gonna be working on that. I'm finishing up the inside of the camper and making the van clean and comfy to travel in because we are leaving tomorrow afternoon and we're trying to get everything pretty much ready today. So tomorrow we can do any final touches that we just can't get to.
Ready to go boating?
Yeah. Frozen little ginger beard. Today's the day.
Can't forget to take our TV down. Nope. You're gonna get to right in the bed.
Thank you, run out of the exhaust. What is he doing? Babe, what are you doing? Trying to get that to fit.
Yeah, I didn't want to pull out power tools.
Dude.
I should have.
Yeah, you're would have been done by
I
now.
haven't cut anything by hand in a long time.
Do you want a treat? You want a treat? Lining you up. To the right. Okay, so just straight back a little bit. Go slow. Go slow. Keep coming. More. Stop. Oh my god.
Is it squatting it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the downside to this extender is now the weight is a lot more. That reaches. We're gonna need to add some chain. Can you go in the, you know where I have all the keys in?
Yeah.
The silver little key for this.
Okay. There's so many silver little ones.
Yep. Those are
All of
both the
those work?
same ones.
Oh, okay.
We can use these soft shackles. It's a while for it to fully clean system. Because like from when I rebuilt it, there's oil in places that there shouldn't be.
This will be the rig.
It's not quite full.
Oh, it isn't? Oh yeah, it isn't. So I've never really towed a trailer before. Long term, I've towed a trailer to short places. So I'm a little nervous, but so far this box truck's really smooth. And at least I'm towing the boat, not the camper.
Holy fuck. Can you grab that side? A side. Oh my gosh. Ready? What? Yep. Go ahead, Allie.
Fuck, my fingers were under that.
Are you okay?
Like in the jack. I pulled it out right as it hit me. That would literally crushed all my fingers just now. Bye bye, Toyota. Did you go potty? You need to go potty. Pinky, it's time. Do you want to load up? That's the wrong truck, bud. Huh? Oh, buddy. Oh. You're ready to leave. All right, bud. He's gonna be good. You like you? I told you this time would come. It's your turn. Good girl. Oh, big man moved. I don't know how well you guys can see me, but I'm pretty emotional right now.